What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be moving on with our little project car we got here. In the previous episode we went ahead and stripped the car. The only thing that's left is the front dash, the door panels, the seats, and the center column there because that'd be too much to take out. So the next step in this little series that we got going on is going ahead and, well, at the end step we're going to swap the engine that's in here. So first, before I go ahead and order an engine and have it be messed up and whatever, I'm going to go ahead and take apart the engine that's in here. That way I can get practice on it. This engine's shot anyways. If you don't know, it likes to turn off while you're driving and it likes to eject spark plugs. I've never taken apart an engine to the depth that I will be taking apart this engine. This engine will be completely gone, taken apart, and then we're going to try and rebuild it and see if we can get it to start again with less problems of turning off while we drive and spark plugs ejecting. I'm going to go ahead and take off the hood. We're going to get right into it. I didn't think this will do actually. Nice. Over here it goes. Nice. Alright, next we're gonna, obviously disconnect the battery. Probably do some air intake stuff. I don't really know what the first step should be for these. We're just gonna kind of figure it out as we go. Alright guys, so we went ahead and took off the air intake, the battery's out, the alternator's out, but next we're going to go ahead and remove the manifold, purge valve, get rid of all these wires, hoses, we removed the belt with the tensioner, and that's kind of all we've done so far, and it looks very empty. It looks like I have lots of room to play, so I'm very excited about that. Very excited to take this thing apart and hopefully get it back to running. Alright, so we're back. Believe it or not, it's now a week later. We actually didn't have the proper tools. In order to take off the manifold, we have to go down. There's these holes here. I think there's 8 of them. Here, 2 back there, 2 here, and 2 up front. And I didn't have an extension long enough. Finally got the extension came in, and we're gonna be able to go down there and use, I think it's the T25 with a decent extender and be able to take this off real easy. So let's get right to it. All right, this is the nice ghetto contraption I've had set up in order to get down in here. Honestly, I probably don't need it. There we go. All right, so fun fact is that these bolts don't actually come out. They just loosen until they're free, and then you can freely move them just like this. That way, so none of the bolts actually fully come out and you don't lose any. So, neat little feature. Alright, that should be all of the bolts holding in the manifold here. I think there's still a few things holding it in. Like obviously these have to come off, so I'm gonna take these off real quick. There we go. There's that. I don't really know what that is. Actually I think that's the fucking, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what it is. Alright, just like that, this thing should come right out. Easy day. Look at that. Alright, look at that, there's a little leak there. We removed this Something fell, I'll be honest, I don't know what it was. I think it fell down there. I think it was a washer. Well, good thing we're gonna take this apart anyway so we can get that washer out of there. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Next, just for convenience sake, I think we're gonna be taking off the fairings for the fenders and the front bumper. And then we'll probably dive into something else. I haven't gotten out of my comfort zone yet. These are all things I've already done in other cars. So next we will be delving in a little bit more and getting into a more unfamiliar territory and see how that goes. But until then, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.